give the presentation? Okay, it's good. Alfred, I made you the presenter. So now,
Hello, can you hear me?
yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to share my screen. Wait.
Share content.
Share content. Oh, thank you, Jason.
You're welcome.
Screen 1 or screen 2? I'm trying to remember. Yeah, this is the one. Right.
Yeah, this is the one.
Can everyone see that?
Yep.
Okay, this is our presentation.
F5.
F5. No? That's... Wait, sorry, technical. There we go, present. Present, okay. So we're Team 15, our name is Formula Pog 1, and our design is with the Tower of Babel. So the first thing we did when we met up is we decided some design requirements. We got the lightest phone and the phone with the largest field of view. So it was, I think it was a Galaxy S10 and some maker of iPhone, I'm not sure. And we figured out the height required for the iPhone was quite tall because the camera had quite a small field of view, but it was a lot lighter. So obviously the structure would be, I don't know.
Adapted to that.
Yeah, it would be smaller. And then we had like a Galaxy 10 and we figured that the height required for that was actually a lot smaller and the weight difference wasn't that big. We tested a few other phones, but the gains we got weren't as good. So the initial design concept that we had, we were looking at tensegrity structures, which are structures that are held entirely in tension, basically. So if we wanted a structure where if we put a phone on it, every single member would be loaded in tension, because obviously paper and paper clips and string aren't really great in compression. They'll either bend or like any joints that you make will completely flip over, and it just won't be very efficient. So we had a look at these structures, and I'll go to my camera, I've got it up. This is the initial design we made. Obviously, it's quite bulky, and I don't know if the lighting's very good, but if we put a phone on it, it doesn't hold it very well. In fact, it doesn't hold it at all. So if we go back, we figured that design wasn't very efficient. So we decided to refine the design, and lo and behold, we came up with the same design as everyone else, and we built a tube. And I've got some quotes here from the US Navy. One of their design principles is called the KISS principle, which is keep it simple, stupid. We also got Leonardo da Vinci, who once said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And of course, Shakespeare, who said, brevity is the soul of wit. So if I come back to the camera, we have our backup. Is it on? Yeah, it's on. We have our backup over here.
We're going to chuck it.
We're going to chuck it on the floor, which of course is the standard tube design, which we can mount our phone on. Do you want to get the photo, Jason?
Yeah, okay.
My lovely assistant here will demonstrate. So you can show that's the webcam. And we can get the whole design very comfortably in shot. So I don't know if I've got it written on the slide, but in this design we've used 3 pieces of paper and what?
No.
Yeah, so 3 pieces of paper and was it 5 paper clips? Yeah, 5 paper clips, 4 at the bottom, 1 at the top. So it's not super efficient compared to some of the other designs there, but I'm pretty proud of the refinement process that we went through. And that's it.
Okay, it's really nice presentation. And it's very well the system constraint. The system constraint, looking for the different ways to do mobile phone, that is really good. So how your team is to communicate to each other?
So initially we had a messenger chat, and then we realized one of the members wasn't on Facebook, so we created a little Teams chat and had a meeting on there. Okay,
so is your design, how is stable by changing the one phone to the other phone?
So I've got my phone here, and my phone can be supported on it. This one, yeah, this one is one of our phones. Yeah, so obviously too much mass on there is not a great idea. So the problem with that one was the tensegrity structure didn't work as we predicted, and some of the joints had like quite strong bending moments on them. I don't know if you saw, but it ends up just failing. Whereas with this one, I've got my phone. Jason could probably. Do you want to put your phone on top of mine?
Yeah.
Or so it can support quite a lot of mass.
Okay, it's good. Yeah. Yeah. So thank you for your presentation. It's really like your presentations.
That's okay.
Okay. So thank you. So we can move to the final group